Howdy folks, another how-to video. The projects just keep coming. Good thing is it's a cooler day, but this one's outside our mailbox stand rotted. It was a wood post in the ground and no concrete. We've had a lot of rain here the last few days and it just finally went. So our neighbor actually, we shared this old setup. I'll show you the old setup. So we decided to go with metal posts with some concrete in the ground and bigger mailboxes too. So we're just redoing the whole thing right now. But yeah, let me show you what the old setup looked like here. Yeah, there it is. The old setup, it was a 4x4, held the two mailboxes there. I've actually had to replace the wood under the mailboxes before many years ago. But yeah, you can just tell it finally just gave out. And didn't even know it was rotting away, but it finally went. And here's the new post. Got it at Lowe's. It's just, like I say, it's a 2-inch metal post that's joined in the middle. So we set some quick-reach style concrete in the ground, dug it as deep as we could around these roots. So we'll have ours there, and then we're going to put his over here. This hole we were able to get a little deeper. But anyway, we did the leveling and everything, and the level said it was level, but then visually it didn't look quite right. Maybe it has to do with this tree, but so we did a little bit of visual altering, and I think it'll be just fine. It's actually a little bit closer to the road than I wanted, hanging over the curb here, but because of the root down there, it just really didn't have much of a choice, so I think it'll be all right. But another little how-to video here. Oh, this is the bigger style box. Got a little extra space for the packages. Quite a bit bigger than the old one. I think we'll be happy with it. So he's getting a matching one, so he's getting our letters too. I forgot to get the letters or the numbers for the house here, so we'll have all that on there. When I say he'll get the letters and the numbers, it's because he had to go to Lowe's to get another bag of the concrete and also get the matching mailbox because they said they had a bunch there. And then the other thing was I was putting his posts together because I bought two, and it looked like somebody had returned it because it, wasn't, all the packaging wasn't in there the same way. And sure enough, I get to the joint piece that holds the post together, and there's basically these, these bolts that go in there. And doggone if one, wasn't cross-threaded already. So I had to call him as I get another post. I gotta take this one back. Something's wrong with it. Just can't get the screw in there. And it looked like it had been dinged up. I think that somebody returned it and they stuck it on the shelf again. That's the only thing that makes sense at this point. There you go. 5-minute projects turn into all-day projects. All right. So my neighbor Mike and I just got out here. It was a 2-person job to really level these things, and we got the concrete bases poured on both, got them leveled up visually, so it looks good, and we're really happy with it. So we've got matching mailboxes. There's his, will match mine. And yeah, what started out as didn't look like much of a fun project this morning. Not too bad. It was pretty quick. Except we had to go to Lowe's a couple times. All right, well, there's the finished product. Matching mailboxes. Turned out good. We have all the same equipment. We notice mine swivels. This base under here, it allows it to swivel. There's some screws in there. I tried to tighten and didn't make a difference. His doesn't after we tightened it. But then his, down here where it joins, wasn't as tight and locked. It was moving a little bit, so we put a pipe clamp, spray paint it black. But anyway, otherwise, we're happy with it.